Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing a healthy paleo protein ice cream recipe that will have you yelling, "Damn, that's good!" So if you love ice cream, especially soft serve ice cream, you're gonna love this quick and simple soft serve ice cream recipe. So let's get into it. All right, this recipe makes 4 servings. So first up in the ingredients list, we have coconut milk from a can, ½ a cup. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and an optional item is honey, which is 1 teaspoon. We have 1 teaspoon of cacao nibs or dark chocolate chips. We got our protein powder, and we have 2 frozen bananas. They must be frozen for this to work. Throw in the bananas, put in the coconut milk, and we're gonna add in the vanilla extract. Then the protein powder goes in. Put the top on top of your food processor or your high-powered blender, and you're gonna blend it up for approximately 1 to 2 minutes based on the consistency that you like. And then you're gonna get that consistency, which is like soft serve. If you like it harder, you can put it in the freezer for up to 60 minutes. Serve it into some dishes. Top it with your cacao nibs. And then if you like it sweet, add a little bit of honey. So guys, next time you're having an ice cream craving, throw these simple ingredients into a blender and enjoy the gains. So with that said, let's take a bite. Ooh, that's so good. You know it's coming. Damn, that's good. Hey Kai, you want some ice cream? Ooh, so good. You say, damn, that's good. And if you want more cooking videos like this, you need to join our team at teamlivelean.com. So we take everyday comfort foods and re-engineer them using muscle building and fat blasting ingredients that are delicious. So you also get a weekly meal plan and a brand new 4-week workout program every single month. So if you haven't joined us yet at teamlivelean.com, get over there and join the community. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.